Welcome to the exciting world of network marketing. In this scene, we will introduce you to the concept of network marketing and shed light on why it has become such a popular business model for countless individuals striving for success in the industry. Network marketing offers a unique opportunity to build your own business and leverage the power of connections and teamwork. Discover how this industry empowers people to achieve financial freedom, time flexibility, and personal growth. Join us as we unveil the secrets to unlocking success in network marketing and embark on a journey that can change your life. Get ready to unlock your full potential. Choosing the right network marketing company is crucial for your success. In this scene, we will provide you with valuable tips and guidance on how to make the best decision. Discover the factors to consider when selecting a network marketing company, including assessing their reputation, evaluating their products and services, examining their compensation plan, and analyzing their support system. We will help you navigate through the vast array of options and empower you to make an informed choice. Join us as we uncover the secrets to finding the perfect network marketing company that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Building a strong network marketing team is essential for your success in this industry. In this scene, we will dive into the significance of creating a powerful team and share practical tips on how to recruit and train team members effectively. Learn strategies to foster teamwork, enhance collaboration, and create a supportive environment. Discover the secrets to providing ongoing support and motivation to your team, ensuring their growth and success. Join us as we unveil the key to building a strong network marketing team and unlock the potential for exponential success in your business. In this scene, we will uncover a treasure trove of effective marketing strategies for network marketing. Discover how to harness the power of social media platforms to reach and engage with a wider audience. Learn the art of creating compelling content that grabs attention and inspires action. Explore the benefits of hosting webinars or events to showcase your products or services and connect with potential customers. Additionally, we will show you how to leverage your personal connections to build relationships and promote your network marketing business. Join us as we unlock the secrets to effective marketing strategies that will propel your business to new heights. Overcoming challenges is an integral part of achieving success in network marketing. In this scene, we will address the common hurdles faced by network marketers and provide valuable tips to conquer them. Learn how to stay motivated even in the face of obstacles, and discover effective strategies for managing rejection and turning it into fuel for growth. Set meaningful goals and learn how to stay consistent in taking action towards them. Moreover, we will emphasize the importance of mindset and personal development in the journey to success. Join us as we unlock the secrets to overcoming challenges and achieving remarkable success in network marketing.